Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Reddit TikTok videos on phone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Creating TikTok videos featuring Reddit stories on your phone involves several steps, like finding stories, recording and capturing them, editing the video, and then uploading it to TikTok. Here's how to do it on your phone. First method, let's find the Reddit stories you preferred. Make sure you have installed Reddit app on your Google Play Store or App Store on your iPhone. Then open the Reddit app and log into your account. Browse through subreddits like AskReddit, NoSleep, TodayILearned, and ProRevenge. So for now, I choose TodayILearned. Find topics related to the content you want. For example, scary, funny stories, inspirational stories. Save the post or choose take screenshot of the story you want to use on your TikTok videos. Now, let's launch the TikTok app on your phone. Tap the plus button to create a new video. Choose the photo section, then tap on upload. Find your screenshot file. Go ahead and tap on it. Tap on next. Now, further highlight this. Tap on the edit in the right panel. Tap edit. Then use the crop tool. Then just choose the preset size. I choose 4.3 for this. Align further to highlight the main story. Then hit save. Now adjust the size to fit on the screen. Now tap on the arrow to the left on the top left. Now let us add captions and tags. Add text overlays to highlight key parts of the story by tapping on the text icon. Add background music or sound effects if needed by tapping on the top middle. Include your own voiceover or commentary if desired by tapping on the microphone icon. Once done, tap on next. Choose the cover image and set any additional settings. Then captions, hashtags, etc. and choose your privacy options on these options. And then post to upload your video to TikTok. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.